Welcome to Grandad's Story Time. Please like and subscribe. I post new content every day. Teletubbies! A rainy day. One day in Teletubbyland, Dipsy is walking on the hill. Suddenly a cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Dipsy. "Uh-oh," says Dipsy. Lala is outside the home dome. Another cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Lala. "Uh-oh," says Lala. Po is walking past her favourite tree. Then a cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Po. "Uh-oh," says Po. Tinky Winky is looking at a pretty flower. A cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Tinky Winky. "Uh-oh," says Tinky Winky. The Teletubbies are all together. A huge cloud appears, and it starts to rain. The Teletubbies run home. "Rain, rain, rain, run away," say the Teletubbies. After all that running around, it's time for a snack. "Tubby toast," say the Teletubbies. The Teletubbies eat their toast very quickly. "All gone," say the Teletubbies. The Nunu clears up all the crumbs. The Teletubbies go back outside to play. The Teletubbies love rainy days. And the Teletubbies love each other very much. "Big hug," say the Teletubbies. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's free to support us and allow us to create more great content.